Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Furnished Finder app review to see with what you're using. So to get started with a quick in-depth review about this platform, Furnished Finder is an app designed to connect traveling professionals, especially nows, with a fully furnished long-time rental properties. Unlike Airbnb, it focused on stays of 30 days or more, often at a lower price with no booking fees. Tenants can browse listings, message landlords, and access background check through the app. It's a popular choice for people looking for affordable mid-time housing across the United States. However, the app has some major drawbacks. Many landlords complain about poor customer service, unexpected charges, and difficulties canceling subscriptions. Tenants have also reported fake listings and lack of support when problems arise. Since booking happen off the app, there is limited protection if something goes wrong. Overall, Furnish Finder is a want trying for travelers on a budget, but both rentals and landlords should process with caution. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this renting apartment platform. And that's it.